It's safe to say people eventually would like to own a property. Whether it's to make extra income by renting it out to tenants or owning an office space where you won't have to manage it, it's an incredible opportunity that can make plenty of returns. As with anything, it has its drawbacks, but with enough capital, strategy, and most of all, patience, investing in real estate can be very lucrative. In the current economic climate, it could very well be one of the best times to get into real estate investing, and there are 3 popular ways to go about it. The first is an REIT. This stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. How does it work? Trusts take investors' capital and invest it into sought-after properties. The REIT is the one that manages the properties, and they could range from hotels, office buildings, malls, and so on. Trusts don't attempt to sell off the properties after bringing them up, but rather grow their own portfolio by handling operations, handing you a share of the income produced. You could also be a landlord. Naturally, owning a property you wish to rent out requires plenty of capital, but if it's well maintained and has a great location, being a landlord can be very profitable. Not only that, but over time, the property can appreciate in value, giving you returns. The one caveat to being a landlord is that you're responsible for the upkeep, unless you bring on a property management company. Lastly, you could start flipping houses. You may have seen house flippers on TV before, and more join every day because it can be profitable and fun. Flipping, or real estate trading, involves investing in properties with a lot of promise and a little need for repairs. Returns on flipped houses can be substantial if market conditions allow, and flipping does come with its cons if those conditions are not favorable. Whichever approach you want to take, real estate investing is something to look into, as it's often stated to be recession-proof. A fix and flip or buy and hold strategy could fare well in any market conditions, and they can produce stable income. In the current state of the economy, it might be best to focus on residential rather than commercial properties. So, begin to hone your market research skills to find the next profitable property.
Welcome to Resolve Wealth. Here, you will find everything you need to plan for retirement, budget, investing, and so much more. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. The path to a solid financial future starts now with Resolve Wealth.